This is Chris Horsher Landscaping. We're just going to show you just a natural PA fieldstone wall. It goes great with the context, with the setting of the landscape. It's more of just a naturalistic context with a lot of vegetation and trees. And this type of retaining wall goes great with that, along with bluestone treads that go up that leads to the grass. We have some more tiered walls as we walk over here, and another set of steps that lead up to the pool area. And the wall actually continues, and we added some boulder, just some big boulder rocks as accent plants to add some interest. So if you would like any more information on this type of wall or any other type of hardscaping project, you can call us at 215-249-1236.